Good morning, guys. Sunshine here. It's Sunday, April 27th, about 8 in the morning, and I'm in Seattle. And here about to release 10,000 bees. I don't know if you guys could see this good. 10,000 bees. There's that box. There's this box. And we're about to shake them out into these honeycombs here. It's pretty cool. Try to keep the species going. No, I can't get you guys in there, but because it's too heavy with one hand, but yeah. Hope you're all doing well. It's been a while. Love you all. Peace, love, and light. Take care. Bye-bye.